What's up, YouTube? We're back. We're going the mud mower, street mower, everything. It's all coming back. We're going to take the whole motor off and put it somewhere and rebuild it, or take everything off of it and just have fun with it, I guess. Try to fix it. So let's. We're going to find the bolts. There's 4 bolts that hold the motor down. We're going to take all of them down. We'll get back to y'all when we got it off, or at least, or at least try to take it off. Okay, I'm back. He's taking over because I just squished my finger. And we're trying to take the motor mounts off. And it's being a little heifer. Is it undoing it, Isaiah?
Heck no. Hold on.
Hold on, he might have it. Don't let that. Yep, that's how I squished my finger right there. I think it's just on too tight.
Is this the right thing?
Man, my fingernail's cracked. You think it's the right socket?
You need to go to the doctor.
No. But yeah, we're gonna have it separate. We'll get back to y'all once we find the right. There you go. We'll get back to y'all once we figure something out.
We'll get a bunch of views because I done a how TV. I got 5.9K.
Yeah. Okay, y'all, we're back. We can't get the motor off. Okay, the mounts, the bolts that hold the motor down, we stripped them. We stripped the top of them, and so yeah, we're gonna try to take the hood off, and then we're basically gonna work our way back with taking everything off of it.
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, boy. I don't know how we going. I don't know how that thing.
You know what?
Can a socket even fit back there? You want to just break it off?
No, we won't be able to get it back on.
So, how does a socket even fit in that thing? Cause that's like impossible to take off.
A wrench?
Oh yeah, a wrench. I got wrenches in my other one. You think 9/16. Does that work?
Well, no.
Too big or too small? We gotta change the oil in this 4-wheeler soon. As soon as I get an oil filter, too small.
The oil filter.
Oil filter, yeah, for my. Too big or too small?
Too big. Hold on.
Too big? How small is that thing?
Oh, hold on. Left. Don't be loosey. Already tight. Okay.
Yeah. Too big. What size is that?
This is 14.
Try an 11. Is that too?
Hey,
Alright.
dang.
Alright, y'all, we're back. Sorry, we had some technical difficulties. Yeah, we're back. Oh, Isaiah don't know how to use a darn wrench. Did you find the right size?
Uh-huh.
About darn time. Well, you gonna take it off or sit there and look at it?
That daggone thing is... No way.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute.
Let me just pull it.
That's what I was thinking.
Not that way. No.
You gotta fit the piece of junk off somehow. Oh, yes, there we go.
How you get that other side off?
I don't know. Let's see. Hold on, move it back and... Oh, never mind. Dude, this side ain't coming out. It ain't coming out. You dang heifer. There's another bolt that holds it down. We got any cutters? We'll cut that thing. See?
No!
I'm ready, dude. I'll just rip it off.
Hold on.
The heifer?
I tell you.
I was ready to rip it off.
See y'all, you gotta come to a real mechanic.
You ain't no real mechanic. How to dunk? Let me unplug you lighter. Ain't like I got a darn battery in it anyways. What's the point of having lights? Come on now.
That thing the lights work.
Yeah, if I got a battery in it.
No, remember they work without the battery.
Oh yeah, that's right, they did. That's because of a little...
You broke it.
That for real. Oh, it's zip tied onto there. Oh well, who cares?
Alright, just leave it right there.
Alright, y'all, we got the hood off. Look at my bumper guard.
Yeah, we'll just, you know what? Yeah, we'll fix this thing.
Okay, where should we start first? Just leave it open right now. That thing's just gonna pop right out. We would have to, my valve cover. Yeah, I guess we gotta take that thing off.
Dang it. Dang.
Okay, we'll get back to y'all when we find the right stuff. Okay, y'all. We're back. We got the valve cover off. But there's the valves. They're kind of loose, but not loose enough to not start it. Here's the valve cover. Pretty clean in there. For some reason. Somebody's had to been in this before. It cannot, it's usually never this clean. Yeah. So now our problem is we gotta take the pipe off here for the muffler. What the world? Oh. To get to our, to take this part off to get to the heads and the gaskets and all that crap. So we'll see you then.